Welcome to your Music Theory for Beginners course, where you are going to get a crash course in everything you need to understand for music theory basics. Now, all of these lessons are taken from my course for beginners, talking just about music theory. There's over 11 hours of video, 2.5 hours of bonuses, and in addition, you're going to get a free copy of my #1 Amazon best-selling music theory book, as well as a free workbook and access to tests and quizzes, so you always know you're doing it right. It's a really amazing package and an incredible offer. I highly recommend checking it out in the video descriptions or in the pinned comments along the way. If you are interested, it's on sale right now for 95% off. So go check that out if you're interested. I wish you tons of luck. I hope you have tons of fun. And of course, you are going to learn so much and have so much fun. I'm so stoked for you. I will see you in the first lesson.